There's nothing quite like a big bowl of warm, comforting risotto, especially when it's packed with the sweet, earthy goodness of pumpkin. This recipe is so simple, even if you've never made risotto before. You'll be a pro in no time. We're talking about arborio rice, warm vegetable broth, fresh pumpkin puree, a little onion and garlic. Don't forget that finishing touch of Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast for a vegan option. It's all about fresh, accessible ingredients. Start by gently sautéing finely diced onion and garlic in a generous splash of olive oil until softened and fragrant. This foundational step builds incredible depth for our risotto. Next, add your arborio rice and toast it for a couple of minutes until the edges are translucent. Then scraping up all those delicious bits from the bottom of the pan. Now for the signature risotto move. Gradually add warm vegetable broth, one ladleful at a time, stirring continuously. Wait until each addition is almost fully absorbed before adding the next. About halfway through, stir in your pumpkin puree. Keep adding broth and stirring until the rice is creamy and al dente, usually around 18-20 minutes. Finish by stirring in a knob of butter or a swirl of olive oil and plenty of Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast. Season to taste. This pumpkin risotto is pure comfort in a bowl, perfect for a cozy family meal or a special occasion. It's truly a celebration of fall flavors that everyone will adore. Give it a try soon.